This is the first in maybe many videos about the Spiral Review book. This is number 54 in the Spiral Review book, and it says, a right triangle has legs A and B and a hypotenuse C. The length of A and the length of B are changing, but at a certain instant the area of the triangle is not changing. Which statement must be true? So the first thing I do is just write down what's given. So I'm going to make a right triangle with A, B, and C side lengths. And the first thing that pops into my mind is that I know A squared plus B squared needs to equal C squared at all times, if this is going to be a right triangle. I don't know if that'll be useful or not, but we'll see. Then, I do notice that it says the area of the triangle is not changing. So I'm going to write an area equation for this. Area equals 1/2 A times B, because that's the area formula for a right triangle. Then I've got to differentiate that. dA dt equals 1/2, got to use the product rule. 1 dB dt plus, so 1 prime 2 plus 2 prime 1 dA dt. Then it says the only really information we have is that the area is not changing. So I'm going to put 0 in here. In the same step, I'm going to distribute 1/2 A dB dt plus B 1/2 B dA dt. Let's see. I can divide each part by 1/2, so these are just going to go away, or multiply each side of the equation by 2. And then I'm starting to look at which of these matches, and if I subtract B times dA dt from each side, I think I've got it. Negative B dA dt equals A times dB dt, and that matches up with E, which is pretty much all we know. The only information we were really given is that the area of the triangle wasn't changing, but we were able to, so I ended up not even using my Pythagorean theorem. So, there you go. There's number 54 in the Spiral Review.